Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and wanted to show you a 2013 Ford Explorer that we're putting on a lot today. This is the limited edition. So it's beautiful black, dark tinted windows. We'll go ahead and do a quick walk around, then I'll show you the inside. And one thing I wanted to point out, on your mirrors here, you do have the turn signals that are built into those. They are foldable and collapsible, so if you're going through a drive-through or ATM at a bank, you can less likely of hitting your mirrors. So we'll walk on around here. Now the engine in this, it's a 2-liter ecoboost, which means it's turbocharged. So whenever you have a turbocharger, you're going to get increased horsepower that is comparable to a larger engine, but you're going to get better gas mileage. So there's the limited. So what I'll do, there's actually a button right here. Touch that, you've got a power lift on the back. Nice and convenient, especially if you come out, you've got groceries in your hand. This is third row seating. You've got a lot of space that is back here, but right here you've got your back seats, and then the middle row, they do fold, and then of course your 2 captain chairs that are up front. You do have a charging port that is right here. Now to close this, you just touch the button. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's that simple. Very nice looking Explorer. So let me go ahead and back away from this to show you the driver's side. Nice rims on it. Looks to be plenty of tread that is left on the tires. But let me go ahead and open the back door. So you pull the buyer's guide out. You do have black leather interior. So you can see there's definitely a lot of storage or leg space back here, and you do have a separate climate control, and then you do have charging ports here. Now you do have up overhead, you do have air vents, flow vents that are built in here, so that helps you having control right back here. So let's go ahead and open up. Show you the interior. You do have automatic adjustments for your front seat. Show you the door panel. You do have 3 presets for your seat. So 3 different people can have their own preset adjustments. So when person number 1 gets in here, you just hit number 1 and the seat will automatically adjust to your settings. So let me go ahead, hop in. I'm going to shut the door, and we'll go ahead and fire this thing up. Now this is a push button start, so you can see I got the key on the seat, push button right there. All you do is gently depress your brake pedal, push the button, and it starts. LCD display right here in your command center, and I'll show you the your gauges. First of all, let me go ahead and back away, show you the entire look. You do have controls on the left of your wheel, on the right. Controls here for your interior lighting, and of course your outside lights. But on the left side of your steering wheel, you have controls that are right here that will work various settings on your instrument cluster, and then your cruise control is on the bottom, and then additional controls here for your instrument cluster on the right, and then these are your audio controls that will connect with your smartphone. So let me go ahead and pull in here a little bit and show you that. Now you can see the mileage as of now is 65,541 miles. So this is a 2013, so actually for a vehicle that's got 7 years on it, it's actually considered very good mileage for this. So let me pan over here, show you the command center. Like I said, LCD system, and then your heating, cooling controls. your gear shift, 2 cup holders, and right here you have a storage area. Now this Explorer, it also comes with heated seats. You have your controls for those right here, and it does have a backup camera. So engage it, there's your camera. So it's very nice. Let me pan around. I want to show you the back. There's your middle row seating and your 3rd row in back. But very nice Ford Explorer, Ford Explorer limited model, 2-liter engine, turbocharged, 2013. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here, area code 740-992-4443, and we'd be happy to answer any questions for you. If you want to take a test drive, come on up. You can get this thing no money down. You don't have to have perfect credit. So have a great day.